Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Oladance OWS Pro on your Android device. So before starting I wanna spoil you some part, and you can't install it for iOS. Yeah, I know you're watching for the Android, and there's option only for the Android, because we should install APK file. So open your browser and now write Oladance App APK. Now open the first link here and scroll down. Click download. Scroll down again and click download APK. Download again. Now, is it finished? Nope. Now open it. Install. Open. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!